Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mari again from Best RV down in Turlock, California. Today what I'm presenting for me is a perfect for half-ton towable truck for small SUV, because what I'm getting behind me here is a brand new 2025 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 DS. What does that mean? Is a 21-foot travel trailer, ultralight, perfect for half-ton towable, has a full walk-around bed with a Murphy and a sofa underneath it, and there's a dinette. Across from that, on the right hand side, on the slide out, is a dinette. Facing the dinette, we have a full kitchen and then a big bathroom in the back. So let me show you why Winnebago Micro Mini is a high-end unit in the ultralight, and they offer things the other ultralight trailer they don't offer it to you. The one major thing, if you notice, it has the nice, beautiful, solid, gel-coated cap in the front, diamond plate with the separation to the bottom, slam luggage door, okay, and you could see it's a full pass-through storage. Now, everybody gonna tell me they offer you electric stabilizer jack, but why Winnebago? They give you higher step up, they give you independent electric stabilizer jack. So I have a switch here for this side, and then I have another switch for the other side. I could play with it the way I want it, in which one to raise. Do I want to raise to the right or the left? So I have full control. There's the other lines, they give you one switch and both they come at the same time. One touch the ground and the other keep going until the reach. So the advantage for you on the Micro Mini Winnebago is they give you independent for the electric stabilizer jack on the front, so one to the right, one to the left. Now, as you see, a beautiful power awning with LED light, and what I like about this floor plan is the power awning is covered complete, so whole my trailer is covered with that power awning. GPL speakers, look how big they are, they're loud. Then let's stop here and talk about why is Micro Mini they offer more. First thing, they give you 3-year warranty. They give you the comfort package, explorer package, extreme weather package, so that it's enclosed underbelly, they're heated, so you don't have to worry about the extreme cold weather. They already come with a solar panel on the roof, 200-watt solar panel on the roof, and is Asdel fiberglass, which is you have no separation in the fiberglass and no delaminations. Now, second thing, let's come down over here. This is a big deal on this Micro Mini, because it's a torsion bar axle, independent suspensions, no spring leaves. You don't have what you hear like some of them, and I wish the cameraman come over here and show them there's no spring leaves. So you have no spring is gonna pop on you, like so you hear this terminology in the trailers. Oh, well, I'm driving and suddenly my spring pop and my trailer sitting in the axle. You don't have that issue here because they're Dexter torsion axles. That's a big deal. Also, they give you a place where you screw the bracket for your TV outside. So it has a place for TV outside, has the coax and the 110 outside sprayers. So it's beautiful. I could put my 32-inch TV here. Underneath the awning, I have the speaker jammed, barbecue, eating, living, and enjoy the outdoor. Coming over here, and this is again, I want to point this one. This is the LP Quick Connect for the outdoor grill. You could break in any barbecue you choose. Now, in the back, why separate Micro Mini from the others? Is they giving you the ladder. A lot of ultralight, a lot of small trailers, they give you ladder prep. The big piece, black plastic in the top, and the dealer tell you, oh, by the way, you have to go buy that ladder from Amazon or our parts department. In the Micro Mini, they give it to you. So there's some solid ladder in the rear. As well, you have the backup camera prep in the back. You have the spare tires with the cover. And there's underneath here, the cameraman showed you, you have a class 2 receivers. And that one allows you to put a tray where you have a portable generators, your fire pits, round chairs. Also, you could use it to have the 4 bike rack. So it's multifunction, bike rack, tray, and so on. Now, going in this section, as you see, it's all open and showing you. You have 30 amp power cord, and then there's a light, and it comes with a cord. The unit comes with a cord, satellite hookup, cable hookup. It has also Sani flush, to flush your tank if you have flushed the poop tank for you. It's very simple. You hook up the water hose here, you open the valve, it go like a flow jet inside your black tank, and it flush the black tank and it come all the way down. City water connections, when you are going to a campsite, outside shower, hot and cold, 6-gallon hot water heater. Now, I wish the cameraman come over here and show them the Winnebago Micro Mini. They use bolted frame. As you see, it's more stable, and everything is covered and bolted. Now, I want to ask you questions. Where's the valve for my black water tank and the gray water tank? Where's the valve? I don't see a valve. That's the reason why it's high quality. The valve is enclosed inside the underbelly. So the valve is not exposed to the outside. It's also, and they use these handles with cable inside to close and open the black and the gray. And they put here gray because it's a gray tank, and this is black. So the advantage for you on the Winnebago Micro Mini, even a simple thing, the valve for the black water and the gray water, they are sealed inside the underbelly with installation. They're not exposed to the outside. Nobody could play with them. You cannot hit them with a box when you're traveling, and everything's protected. All you have is just a handle on the side. This separates the Micro Mini in quality versus the other unit. Coming over here, you see this is where the dinette slide out, and then here's the pass-through storage, and you will see the controller of the solar panel over there in the corner. It says to have 200-watt solar panel. As well, they give you the extra solar hookup on the side, where you could hook up your panel to this plug if you want to add additional solar to the unit. But again, you don't have, but some people, they like to add, and you could do it this way here. In the front, they give me electric tank jack with 2 propane tanks and a cover. So let's go inside. And before I go inside, if you are worried, there's a battery disconnect switch here. You could disconnect the power so the battery lasts you longer when you park it next to your house or in a storage place. Let's go inside on the 2108DS and show you how beautiful this unit inside, how roomy, and why people they buying it, because you have a sofa, a dinette, and a full walk-around bed, and only just 21 feet coming in. The beauty about this one is the 21 feet, and you still have everything. You have a full dinette, as you see, is sitting on the slide out, and then you have a 3 seats passenger sofa in the front. So I have sofa, I could sit here, watch the TV, straight the TV. I could have conversation with the people on the dinette. It's very roomy. I have a nice shelf, counter space here. I could put, my drink. There's doors accessible on both sides. It's very roomy. Now, even there's a Murphy bed, they don't waste a storage for you. They give you a full storage. As you see, doors underneath the sofa of the higher bed, the sofa of the Murphy bed, sorry. And then you have full storage here. And then again, the storage is accessible from outside as well, the inside. Now, you say, Niall, you told me this trailer has full walk-around queen bed. Yes, it does. And is located actually behind the sofa. So all I have to do, look how simple and easy. All I do, just raise it up, lift up, and then I bring the bed down. There's nothing to it. And this bed is big. It's not RV queen, it's a full queen. And you could easy to get around it. There's even storage on both sides. Hanging clothes. Also, this unit, you don't have to put the bed up, because even if you close the slide, and I want to show you here how when I'm closing the slide out, so if the cameraman point to them, show them, I'm closing the slide out, and I still could keep my bed down. So I didn't have to raise my bed up. I want to show you one thing, why I want to close the slide out, and the cameraman take video while the slide is closed, to prove for you this unit, if I pull on the side of the road, I still have to access everything inside the unit without opening the slide. And this is what I'm gonna show you I could do. Number one, look, I could walk to my bed and sleep on it. And it's very clear from the slide out. Also, I could go sit here on the sofa if I want to, and I grab some sandwich or drink while I'm on the side road. I could get to my refrigerator. This is my freezer, and this is my fridge. I could grab any drink I want, and as you see, I'm walking. I could get to the bathroom with no problem. So I could get to the toilet, I could get to the shower, I could get to my fridge, I could get to my dinette, to my kitchen. I go sleep in the bed if I want to. I could leave this bed down if I want to. I don't have to raise it up all the time. It's all in control and does not bother the slide out. So let's open the slide out to show you how roomy when I push the slide out or outside. Okay, so now if I want to put this bed up, very easy, one handle. I don't have to stress my back. Raise this sofa, it's one piece, and go up. Now, let's talk about the dinette. Why the nice thing about Winnebago dinette? Winnebago dinette, what I really like, it's a big window here. So they give me a really nice window, open, nice wind circulation. Now, second thing, why you like the dinette of the Winnebago is the table. I don't have no posts whatsoever. They're not gonna hit my legs. Easy to do. Now, easy to bring down. All I have to do, I wish all the RV manufacturers do this. That's it. Push on it, take it down, done. Sounds so easy. I mean, I hate those posts. They always hit my knees, and when you take them off, you don't know what to do with the posts and so on. Storage underneath the dinette, and this storage you could access it from the top or the side. Okay, so this is the dinette. Now we're gonna talk about the kitchen. People that don't believe me, I tell them Winnebago Micro Mini, this is a solid countertop. A lot of manufacturer, I don't care what you're paying 50, 40, somewhere else, they give you a composite countertop, or they give you Formica countertop. This is solid. Feel it, feel the grain, touch it, feel the grain. To prove for you is a solid service. Plus, they give you extension countertop. I love the finishing, the two-tone of the cabinet. Ways for cooking pans. Convection microwave. It's electric oven as well microwave. A nice 2-burner range. Place for trash can. Show them, please. Tinsel doors for the brush scrub. Now, where's the fuse box? That's what I love about Winnebago. Is the hidden. They hide the fuse box so the fuse box is not exposed. Like you see a beautiful trailer, nice decoration, and voila, a piece of plastic is sitting in the middle. And everybody asks me, what's this piece of plastic? Well, this is the fuse box. Guess what? Here in this trailer, clean, can't see it. Big door for your cooking pans. And then you have the 10.7 cubic for reefer, 12 volt. Look how roomy. You don't want to see the bathroom? No problem. What we could do, we have a nice pocket door. No one could see my bathroom. And then you have the nice TV, a smart TV with speaker, stereo system, speakers inside, speakers outside, controller for the air conditioning, cell phone charger. You could use this pantries, you name it. That's what I love about the Micro Mini. And then they give you a fan here. We call it, this is if you're cooking bacon or something, it's very spicy, you could get the smell out, or you could get the fresh air. That's a plus. And again, even that's the quality in the build. Even if it's a 21 feet, they still give you ducting AC. And I told them, you don't need to, it's a small. Some manufacturers, they put the AC here only. You have to wait for the cold air going from this vent all the way to the trailer. Well, Winnebago Micro Mini, they put all these ducting vents to separate the cold air. Now, let's go to the bathroom. If you come down this way, look, even it's 21 foot, they still give you the counter space and the vanity in the bathroom, solid service. Other brand, they're not. Name it. I don't care what name you're gonna look at. They give you plastic. This is solid. Solid. Stainless steel. Nice medicine cabinet, not a plastic. Solid. Closets, linen or closet, hanging clothes. More room. Porcelain toilet. Not a plastic. No issue for knees. And then they give you nice solid door. Solid, not a curtain, put it this way, a fan. And then very roomy shower. I could stand up, look at the height, look at the elbow. Very roomy. And I think the dry weight of this unit only is 4,200 pounds. So any half-ton towable will pull it. Any small SUV will pull it. There's no issue. This unit sleep 4 or 2 people, very comfy. They have all the amenities of the high-end unit. It's amazing. And then one thing people didn't realize is the price of this unit. If this unit is sitting somewhere else, without mentioning name, respecting everybody, you're gonna pay $38,000. Only at Best RV, only $32.99 plus sales tax and license, no hidden fees. So show me this unit, you could get it for all these options, for all these amenities, for all this quality, only at Best RV for $32.99 plus sales tax and license and no hidden fees. We give you a free get ready package, a free extended stay package. We walk through it, we wash it, clean it, prep it, we show everything. And we don't charge you a penny. We don't charge you nothing. Just $32.99 plus tax and license. Also, if you want us to ship it to other states, we could do that. Do that down for yourself because you're gonna be surprised how much these units somewhere else in the 37, 36, 38, 39, and only at Best RV for $32.99 just for you. Come to Best RV and grab it and let's go camping.